Okay, 2 key words, frequency and severity. Get to know them. Hi, everybody. This is Todd Conklin. It's the Pre-Accident Investigation Safety Moment. I'm your host for today's moment. And I started the podcast by saying frequency and severity. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. What we do as safety professionals is reduce the frequency and severity of events that will happen within our organization. Now, both are really important. Frequency is absolutely, that's the whole prevention side of the house. We want to prevent as many events from happening as we possibly can. That's what we do, is prevent events. But the severity, the other 50% of this, tells us when we can't predict the unknown, when something we didn't expect to have happen happens, when probability becomes 1, not 0, can we manage the severity of the outcome of the event that's happened? If you're asked to define what you do, and you're asked pretty often to define what you do, what I want you to say is, I reduce the frequency and the severity of events within my organization. That's a really good way to think of safety. In fact, that's probably the only way to think about safety. But there's a 50-50 split there, and both sides, frequency and severity, are equally important to your outcome and your success as an organization. Safety is not the absence of failure. Safety is the presence of capacity. And the way we manage capacity is by creating a tool, a set of tools, a philosophy, a group of people. We create the capacity to reduce the frequency and severity of events within our organization. That's your safety moment for today. Short and sweet, but perhaps the most important one I've ever shared with you before. Until then, learn something new every single day. I bet you did today. Have as much fun as you possibly can, and for goodness sakes, be safe.